Hello guys and welcome. So in this video I wanted to answer the question, how do you calculate how much money a YouTuber makes in YouTube ad revenue? It's only focused on YouTube ad revenue. How much YouTubers make from merch sales, affiliate links, and any other paid promotions that they do is their business. It's nothing to do with this video. It's a case of simply from a YouTube video that is monetized on YouTube, how much money can you potentially be making? Now, the simple breakdown is you have monetized views. So you might have heard of the term CPM. So what the difference between a monetized view and just a view is that a monetized view is where ads were actually shown on the video. The reason why ads might not be shown on a video is if, for example, the viewer is using an ad blocker. So ad blocker have obviously hurt YouTube as a business. That's why they reacted and released features like YouTube Premium, for example, and then they offered a whole bunch of extras with YouTube Premium to make it worth it to remove ads and reliance on ads from the platform. Now, of course, YouTubers, at least when you're starting and you're trying to build up a YouTube community, you rely more on YouTube ad revenue than later on. So as you start growing, then you can rely on other sources of revenue. But in this video, we really want to answer how to calculate the CPM, how to estimate how much money a YouTuber is actually making. So like I said, so for example, let's say this video gets 10,000 views. It wouldn't be absurd for this channel. Like they've got loads of videos that have way more than 10,000 views. So let's say 10,000 views. From the 10,000, let's assume only half, maybe even let's say, let's for estimate's sake, let's say half were actually monetized. So 5,000 views monetized out of 10,000. Then what that means is that I, as a YouTuber, am paid for those 5,000 views. As I make generally gaming vlog type videos, I usually get between $2 to $4 CPM. So what that means is I get between $2 to $4 per 1,000 monetized views. So from if this video, like I said, gets 10,000 views and I make 5,000 monetized views, then I will get anything from let's say $10 to $20. So it doesn't sound like a lot really when you consider how many views, but that's life. So now it's affected by a couple of factors, how much money is in the CPM. So one, it depends on the type of video. So for example, prank videos, music videos, gaming, commentary, vlogs, they will get between $0 to $4 CPM. When I say zero, I just mean less than a dollar. Car videos might get anything from, let's say, $2 to $5 per thousand. Makeup videos, like makeup, beauty tutorials, videos like that, might make anything from $3 to about $10. It depends on the products used and other factors. Credit videos and finance might make anything from $6, $7 to $10 plus. Real estate and investing will make about $12 to $15 plus, maybe even higher. And Facebook ads, e-commerce, Shopify, videos like that will make $12 to $20 on average, but in some cases, extreme cases, they might literally make $30 per 1,000 monetized views. So like that's the way you have to calculate, but it's also affected by the time of year. So for example, the way advertising works is that you have to bid in order to get your advert in front of people, and the amount you have to bid is affected by it's simple supply and demand. So the more demand there is, the higher the price is going to go. Simple as that, because the lower space is going to be. So around Christmas, for example, that's the highest point of the year. That's when the CPM will be the absolute highest, because all the advertisers are out trying to get your business. And then the slumps of the year, from experience from doing this for the last 6 years, are, let's say, January, when everyone's back from finished from Christmas, or September, everyone's back to school, back to work, they finish their summer holidays. So those are the two low points of the year. And then the peaks of the year are middle of summer and especially Christmas. Christmas and leading up to Christmas is when the CPM will be the highest for you. So that is how you calculate CPM. Okay, that's how you calculate how much a YouTuber is making in YouTube ad revenue. So let's, for example, now do a very quick example. Okay, so my favorite YouTuber at the moment, Mr. Beast. I'm sure he's a favorite for a lot of people on the platform. As you can see, I've got the Mr. Beast t-shirt hanging in the background. He gets a huge amount of views. There's obviously his numbers to envy, like PewDiePie back in the day. So if we look at his Social Blade, now the thing is with Social Blade, this is relying on public information. There is no way of knowing, for example, how much money Mr. Beast makes from t-shirt sales or paid like promotions. Like all the time he's talking about different products in his videos, so he gets a lot of money from them. He tends to give a lot of the money away, but obviously there's going to be money left over. He has to pay his staff, he has to pay his friends, and so on, and run it as a business. But focus purely on the YouTube views, someone like Mr. Beast is probably in the YouTube or Google preferred, which means he's probably getting even more money on the ads. But because he is still related to commentary, vlogs, satirical videos, videos like that, he's probably making, as if I was to guess, say $5 per 1,000 monetized views. So if we look, for example, at this day, there must, like, you have a couple of days where you get like 18 million views. There's probably days when he actually released videos. So if we look at the 18 million, so 18 million, then divide it by 1,000. Okay, so 18,000. Now, if every single one of those 18 million views was monetized, then he would make about $90,000 a day, which is insane. But because of things like ad blockers and things like that, he would make maybe half, maybe even a third of that money. So $30,000 to $45,000 from YouTube ads. Now, poor Mr. Beast, how is he supposed to live? He wants to give away like the moon at some point. So, but that's why most content creators supplement their income with other things like merch sales, affiliate links, paid promotions, and so on. So and they have less of a reliance on YouTube ads. And also there is the issue of being demonetized. So if you do anything controversial in your videos, maybe you swear too much or whatever, then the videos might be demonetized and they earn way less. So you can have some videos which have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of views, which are made $10. So that is not in the realm of, let's say, that's not impossible. That impossible? Yeah, it's not impossible on YouTube. It is possible for videos with a huge amount of views to get no money. That's just life, I guess. And it is also possible for the opposite to be true, where a video has got a few thousand views but has made $50 in ad revenue. So that, again, it depends on the industry, it depends on the time of year, and if the video has been demonetized or not. So that's how basically you calculate how much money a YouTuber makes from YouTube ad revenue. I'm not going to show you my analytics because I'm not that proud of it right now. But basically, I can promise you in the analytics, you can see how many of the views in the revenue tab, how many of the views were monetized, what your CPM is. Now, if any YouTuber is watching this and you think, hang on a minute, I make gaming videos, but my CPM is $10. Why is that? It's because YouTube takes a slice. So that CPM number that YouTube show you is the overall how much is being charged for the video. So my videos at some point, like during Christmas, for example, they got to as high as $12 to $14 CPM. But YouTube takes 40% because they have to pay for their servers, they have to pay for the traffic, they have to pay for the data centers, they have to pay for their staff, to pay for electricity. You know, it's a business, YouTube. They have their own expenses. It's not like Google are not trying to like sponsor the entire planet. You know, they are actually trying to make money. So that's the thing. So YouTube is a business. So think about it from that point of view. And that's also why, for example, YouTube has the promotion built in, because they're going to just simply promote videos which will get them more views because it will make them more money. Simple as that. So thinking about it from a non-personal business perspective, YouTube is a business. They're trying to make money. you as the YouTube creator, if you do what is necessary in order to make as much money for YouTube, you will make money yourself. So yeah, what I'm going to do is, guys, as well, I'm going to type in the description as much detail as possible about what I've been speaking about. Try and really break it down as simply as possible. Hopefully this video will help you. Even you might be watching this video 10 years from now. Hopefully what I'm saying will still be true. So, and I hope that this is the most precise, concise, quickest tutorial explaining YouTube ad revenue and how it is monetized on YouTube, and how you as a YouTuber calculate how much money you're making. Maybe you are looking at your rivals, maybe you're trying to find other ideas of other videos you can make that could potentially make more money from ad revenue. But most of the videos that say how to monetize your channel on YouTube and so on will emphasize the point of you should really focus on the other aspect of business. Like, for example, affiliate links, merch sales, things like that to supplement your income. In fact, most of your income should be from other avenues. YouTube ad revenue, some people say literally should be as little as 5% of your actual overall earning. So if you're doing this full time or so on, or from a business perspective. So I hope this video was useful to everyone watching. Hopefully it'll give you a good insight if you're not a YouTuber, but you're curious how much money a YouTuber might be making from YouTube ad revenue. Hopefully it's useful for other YouTubers on the platform as well. So if you have any changes, any notes, any suggestions, feedback, please leave them in the comments down below. Do you have other creators you love to watch in terms of finance and investing and stuff like that? Like, personally, my favorite investment YouTuber right now is Graham Stephan. So he makes a lot of investing videos. He's given me a lot of ideas of how to push my channel further. So I will leave a link in the description to his channel as well if you haven't just seen it in the promotion already. So he's full of positive vibes. I like positive people. That's why I like, for example, Mr. Beast, because he's doing a lot of great things for the world. Graham Stephan is a positive guy. I appreciate positive people. They're really good, because it's something I personally am trying to work on as well. Okay, guys. So anyway, we could talk about this all day, but I've got stuff to do, you know? So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You can watch a random video over there. You can watch the latest upload down there, or you can click down here to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.